Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your love bite now. Capricorn, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. So take what works for you and just leave the rest, okay? This is just going to be a mini read to check on your energies and see what messages need to come through for you today. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Capricorn and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. So, Cappies, let's take an angel blessing card. Let's see how my angels are going to bless this reading and what message, blessing, guidance, or advice they have for you. My angels, for my Capricorn gang, please. A blessing, guidance, advice, or message. This one. All right, let's keep this card here, Capricorn. Let's put the rest back. And the card I have here for you, Capricorn, says miracle. Wow. What's this miracle? Are you praying for a miracle, Capricorn? Or is a miracle coming towards you? Let's see what this miracle is all about for you. Let's open your cards and see how it's going to resonate with the rest of our reading. So welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all your support to the channel, your likes, your shares, your care, your beautiful comments, and yes, also thank you for your donations to the channel to keep it up and running. I'm very grateful. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, and become part of us. We welcome you in Capricorn. So newbies, this love bite is a reading we do every Saturday just to check on your love energies. So your longer readings have already been put up, more are coming. I leave a few links at the end of the video if you'd like to catch them in case you've missed them. And let's see what we have here. And bottom of my deck, I have the beautiful card of Temperance. So balance, healing, all being restored into your life, Capricorn, and a miracle. Wow, let's see what this is all about. So the first card I have here for you, Capricorn, wow, is the Knight of Swords. This is the first card Taurus got as well somehow. Five of Pentacles, Seven of Swords, Six of Wands, the Sun, King of Cups, Queen of Cups, Queen of Swords, and the Ten of Pentacles. Been through it, it seems. Somebody's really been through it, and yes, a miracle is required to salvage whatever is happening here. Or maybe somebody needs a lot of healing now after whatever I'm seeing on the cards here, right? So somebody's been not very authentic here, and somebody is feeling left out in the cold. Somebody cheated, somebody lied, and now there is no victory to be had. Maybe somebody was very emotionally manipulative, did not give off their emotions, and that's kind of drained the other person's love out. And I have a feminine energy here who's now very upset and very angry with this whatever dynamic has gone between the two of you, and it's led to some kind of lack of long-term stability or a marriage maybe. Let's take a few message cards here to get the ball rolling here, Capricorn, and then we'll see what's going on here. So Capricorn and their person spirit, what's going on here? What are the innermost thoughts towards each other now? Okay. Let's take a couple more from here, Capricorn. Ooh, three together. A lot of anger. Okay, I wish that you could love yourself the way that I love you. I had to lose you to learn to love myself unconditionally so that you could then learn to do the same. I'm now shining brighter and have faith that you will one day see the true love and light within you as I do. So, like I said, somebody's lost their partner here, and they've done it because the other person was, I think, a bit rash, immature, rude maybe, or didn't live up to a relationship status, and now somebody's been left out in the cold because of somebody's sneaky lying behavior here. So let's see. No matter how complicated this gets, I won't ever give up on you or us. Like I said, this has become, maybe it wasn't initially, but now because of somebody's behavior here, it has become kind of complicated here, because there's a lot of anger, there's a lot of resentment. King of Cups and the Queen of Cups are both in reverse. And this has led to a feminine energy. This masculine's behavior, I think, has led to this feminine having trust issues. This is a person who's angry now, very upset with how things have maybe happened. And the next card says, I can feel your frustration at not being able to express yourself to me. You're overthinking things too much. Perhaps you could consider writing things down to get some thoughts flowing on paper to clear your head. I didn't know what love was until our fated meeting. I pray that God will unite us soon, because you are my destiny. I love you till the end of times. So the love is there, or love was there, but now whatever behavior, fight, anger, whatever has come between the two of you, it's led to non-victory of this relationship, and no trust either. I don't like to admit it, but I could really use your help right now. I'm struggling to do everything alone. Would you just stop holding back? Lay it all on me. I want you to reveal your true self to me. Tell me your hopes, your dreams, your fears, your vulnerabilities. What makes you tick and what you really desire. So I think somebody doesn't really kind of commit to a relationship here, and they kind of, they're not very good with their communication skills. That's what I would feel. And maybe hide their emotions, don't show their emotions. Maybe there is love in the heart, but always kind of trying to get away with sneaky, lying, cheating behavior here, which has led to the downfall of a partnership which was or could have been. So let's start clarifying these cards here, Taurus. Knight of Swords, Spirit. Knight of Swords. Somebody definitely is praying for a miracle here and is going through a lot of healing. So yes, this was some mischief makers. So somebody did not step up to the plate. They were immature. There is no happiness when this person behaves the way they behave, right? And somebody just feels very neglected all the time. Five of Pentacles, Spirit. Five of Pentacles. I think this masculine has a fear of change. They don't like things to change, and maybe that's why they don't commit. Maybe that's why they behave in a very irrational kind of behavior. I think somebody's called judgment on this masculine now because of their lying, cheating behavior, or because maybe they sneak away all the time, they don't stick around for long. This actually makes the other person feel almost like humiliated, sad. They feel there's no happiness with or without this person, I think. Yes, there's no emotional satisfaction here because of this King of Cups behavior. I have the King of Cups here twice. Now this person, because they keep hiding their emotions, or they manipulate the feminine emotionally because of their behavior, this Ten of Cups is not being able to come to where it should. And that's frustrating, I think, the feminine, who's also now feeling very emotionally overwhelmed and is feeling that cup of love drain out of her life because of not receiving. Yes, this is a very special woman. Whoever, if you're the masculine watching this, please know this person, the Queen of Cups, is actually the Empress, right? And somebody is now has tried to dethrone her, and it's really not going to serve this masculine well, because as kind and generous and abundant this feminine is, this Empress also knows how to protect herself. So it's better not to get on the wrong side of her, because if this happens, then I think somebody is going to be in for a big trouble. Queen of Swords, Spirit. Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords. I think this feminine has already communicated as to why they're angry, and if one more spirit for the Magician. Who's manifesting what? Yes, I think somebody has already started to manifest their own life. This Queen of Swords is very upset. If there was any hope or any desire or any thinking that, this Queen of Feminine would just come back like a piece of cake, I don't think so. I don't think so. This feminine is right now healing herself. There have been too many swords that have been put into this feminine's back. I think this is a time that this feminine is not just upset and angry, but also going through a healing phase and concentrating on themselves. They are trying to manifest. What is this Eight of Cups spirit? Eight of Cups in reverse. Is that a return? What's this Empress trying to manifest? I don't think this feminine is right now ready to return to a person who only creates conflict in their life. I think this Empress has now started realizing their value or something, and they have realized that it's no point putting in work into a relationship with a person who's only going to bring conflict into my life. So if there were any little thoughts of returning, I think right now those have been stalled, and this feminine is now manifesting something beautiful for themselves. Healing, maybe a miracle. What's this? 10 of Pentacles then, spirit in reverse. 10 of Pentacles in reverse. Ten of Pentacles in reverse. I think this feminine has turned their back right now. This feminine has totally turned their back on this masculine here, put a halt to any kind of forward movement with this masculine. They are clearly saying that I am not interested in partnering up with a selfish person unless a miracle happens and this person can actually step up to the plate. Right now, I think the feminine has taken all their power back. They are concentrating on becoming the best version of themselves, which I do see that they are becoming, because they're coming across as the Empress here. And they are manifesting, praying for a miracle, healing themselves, wishing, hoping that if this masculine ever has to return, should return like the King of Pentacles, a person who has the head on their shoulders, okay, and not somebody who's going to come and create chaos or fights or unhappiness once again. If this is it, then so be it. Okay, so that's the feminine here. That's all I have for you, Capricorn. I hope this resonated with a few of you, and please let me know, put a thumbs up or something. It really helps me to know I've reached somebody out there. Thank you so much. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.